Okay, so we gutted the bathroom part where the sink and the washer go. Yes, it was a lot. It took us a couple of hours to knock all this stuff down and to actually clean it up. All the wood that was here was all rotted out, but everything else seems good. We painted the window and the window frame black, since we're doing black and gray. Oh, I can't open it right now, but yes, this is it. We're gonna close this off and move the door to this side, and so we can open it from the Engawa, the Genkan. But yes, this is what we've done so far. The bathroom, we just cleaned it as best as we could so we could take a shower. But we're just gonna pay someone to redo the whole shower part. And then of course, we took off all the doors and just opened it all up. And now we're gonna change curtains. So I'll update you on more when we come back up next week. Well, next weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye.